Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to remove background in Premiere Pro. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to effects, and here on the effects just simply search for color key. So from here, once you have searched the color key, you should be able to see here color key and just simply click on it and drag it into your video. And now once you have dragged it, just simply go ahead and go to your effects control at the top over here. And now guys, just click on this icon over here. And after that, just simply select the background, guys. And from here, just go ahead and click on this wrench icon over here and make sure the transparency grid is turned on or it has a check mark. And from here, guys, just simply increase the color tolerance. So let's say I'm going to go for 20. So guys, let's increase the color tolerance to 140, let's say. And for the edge tint, just make it at is. And for the edge feather, let's make it 10. So guys, just try to find the right balance. And from here, guys, you'll be able to remove the background and you can just add another layer of video to make the background of your choice. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!